Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you Bryony in Autumn Sunrise by the Alexander Couture Collection. I have not peeked, I don't know what the color looks like, so I want to do that with you. Ooh, that's a gorgeous red. Wow. Securely packaged in a netting. As you can see, a longer straight style sitting on some tissue paper. And let me show you the cap construction. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, this is the gorgeous Mira wig by Amore in Mochaccino R. Also available as is Bryony from Adrian's Trenco, and with my code K20 you will get an amazing 20% off site wide, and I will put the link down below in the description box. But back to Bryony cap construction. We have a mono top and we have a lace front. It's slightly extended on one side and a little bit more on the other. You have open wefts, sides and back, extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, and velvet cupped ear tabs. So as I said, this is a longer style, beautiful longer style. I don't think there is any permatease in here. So let me take off Mira and let me put on Bryony. Right. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous hair. Straight away, it's fairly big, so I would have to cinch it in a little bit. I have a 21.5-inch circumference, and I'm wearing a wig grip, and I have hair. So I might be more of a 21.6.5 or whatever. Not sure, so let me have a look. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like the slight layering that it has. So let me adjust the fibers of the cap a little bit so they move a bit freer. Oh yes, this is stunning. If you love long straight hair, this is just straight up your straight. And let me show you from all sides. This autumn sunrise is amazing. Beautiful. Looks really natural. This color is amazing. So in terms of permatease, I can't really feel any. Nothing big and poofy here. So you have a really close to the head profile, which I think you can see. As I said, size-wise, slightly big on my head, so I would have to cinch it in. Let's look at the lace front. You can see some knotting here, but it is a darker color. It has a darker root. And then you have this really soft lace front. Now it's a little bit milky in appearance. Don't know if you can see that. So I would probably trim that a little bit. If this was mine, this is on loan. So the part is really well done, I think, as well. Again, probably a little bit of knotting there. But this is a gorgeous piece. Layers really help it move naturally. So tell me what you think of Bryony. As I said, this is available from Adrian Trenko and the link is down below. Don't forget to use my code K20. I will have an in-depth review of this piece on my YouTube channel, depending on when you watch it. Might already be on here. And have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I hope I see you very soon. Bye.